They were rolling when the guys came here at about 4:30 in the morning. And these guys, they shot at the police. The police responded. They shot and killed 8 of those guys here on the crime scene. As we speak, they are here with 6 firearms, and 4 of those were critically injured. 1 has died in hospital, which means there are 9 those that are fatally shot here. 2 are still critical. 1 is in hospital. We are profiling them, but I can safely say we have managed to find that 1 is from KZN of those guys that were found here. Nothing really makes one wonder about that. It has been quite a normal kind of trend that has been happening.